Welcome to Days Behind, where we unveil the trivia and stories behind holidays and national days. Every year on October 1st, my country puts on its most festive dress. This special day is called China National Day. We call it Guoqingji. It is the birthday of the People's Republic of China. I always feel a sense of warmth and pride on this day. It is a time when the whole country seems to smile together. The streets are filled with bright red flags fluttering in the breeze. The sound of cheerful music can be heard in parks and public squares. It is a day for remembering our history and celebrating our journey. It is a day for families to gather and for friends to share happy moments. The feeling is one of unity and hope for the future. This day is very important to us. It marks a key moment in our modern history. On this date, we celebrate the founding of our nation as it is today. You will see the color red everywhere. Red is a lucky color in our culture. It represents happiness, good fortune, and celebration. For people watching from other parts of the world, it is a beautiful sight. The celebrations show a side of China that is full of life and color. It is about the small, personal moments of happiness and feeling connected to something bigger than yourself. October 1st, 1949, at Tiananmen Square in Beijing, then called Beiping. From the Gate of Heavenly Peace, Chairman Mao proclaims the People's Republic, and the red flag with 5 stars rises. From that day, October 1st became China's National Day. Before sunrise, Beijing stirs for National Day. At Tiananmen, crowds gather as the honor guard steps out, precise, steady. The anthem swells, the red flag climbs into the first light. Parades roll along Chang'an Avenue, soldiers in step, musicians bright and bold. Civic floats bloom with flowers, ribbons, and symbols of good fortune. Across China, neighborhoods celebrate in their own styles. Open, joyful, welcoming. After dusk, fireworks paint the sky in sweeping reds and golds. Lanterns glow like storybooks, tradition shining warm in the dark. From grand avenues to small streets, the day ends in shared smiles. Golden Week begins as dawn fills the stations. It starts October 1st, a 7-day pause for rest. Tickets vanish fast, book early, or join the rush. Famous sights overflow, the Great Wall, Xi'an, West Lake. Others choose nature, the Yellow Mountains, the Li River. Many simply go home, grandparents waiting, tables set, meals stretch long, stories cross generations, laughter returns. Staying in the city, parks, movies, and pop-up fairs. Malls roll out sales, lanterns brighten the night. The holiday boosts travel, dining, and small shops. Most of all, it reconnects us. Rest, reunion, and simple joy. Red is our National Day's heart, signaling life, happiness, and good luck. It rushes past in flags, lantern strings, and street clothes, a bright tide of celebration. In Tiananmen, the giant flower basket rises like a promise of prosperity. On our flag, red honors revolution. The big star, the Communist Party. 4 small stars are people's unity. At the table, we share festive meals. No single official dish, just family favorites. Seasonal treats appear. Mooncakes, and in Shanghai, hairy crab. When night falls, cities glow, skylines, bridges, and landmarks lit end to end. Some nights, drones paint patterns, tradition meeting technology in the sky. Old symbols and new lights come together, and we celebrate as one. As the fireworks fade and the lanterns dim, a quiet feeling of contentment settles over the country. China National Day is so much more than just a date on the calendar. It is a time when the threads of history, family, and community are woven together. This creates a collective sense of accomplishment and a shared optimism for the path that lies ahead. It is a pride that is not loud or boastful, but warm and deeply felt. It fosters a sense of belonging and unity that transcends regional differences. It is a day when everyone feels connected as citizens of China. For our friends around the world, I hope this gives you a kind and clear picture of our National Day. Every country has its own special days to celebrate its history and identity. Ours is a day of color, of family, of hope. It is a time when we honor our past, enjoy our present, and dream of a peaceful and prosperous future. By understanding how we celebrate, you can better understand our hearts and our culture. On October 1st, China stands together to celebrate its birthday with a proud and friendly smile, and we welcome the world to share in our joy.